Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel transfer on Wise. So if you have sent your money on Wise, it's very difficult to cancel it up because Wise works really fast and it can transfer the money instantly. There are very few cases where Wise takes around 1 or 2 days max to max 1 day to transfer your money. So on the left side you will usually find the option of manage, or you can just go to the recipient if you don't find the option of manage. And in the manage you will able to see all the payment which you have done, and you can click on it and ask to cancel it up. And once you cancel it up, you will get the money back to your bank account or your wallet in just few days, or in a sometimes it's take a little bit of time, around 2 or 3 hours, and sometimes it's take up 1 day. So in this way you can just cancel your transfer. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.